Good evening. Welcome to Option Center's Tuesday evening, 3/15/22. Thanks for joining us. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Tender logo, and subscribe. We're going to go through SPX on multiple time frames, call it a night, and get ready for a big trading day tomorrow with FOMC on deck. We'll probably have a little bit of trading in the morning, some scalps, and then we'll hold off until we see how the market reacts to the Fed minutes or the conference afterwards. All right, here we go. SPX on the monthly, we're looking at intermediate wave. This is primary wave 5, but intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly the end of 5 of 5 of 5 here. Other than that, we might have another wave up before we continue down. All right, we are still in an inside month, pressing off of the 8 EMA for the monthly. Haven't quite touched that 100 or 20 month moving average. I am expecting it. If we get this dip tomorrow, like we suspect, we should dip right into that moving average, maybe spike through a little bit, but also we have a little bit of support from this breakup candle here, this low around 40, 50, 40, 60 or so. So those will be the targets all the way down to 4,000. MACD is trying to cross over. RSI is coming down to about the 50 range. So we'll keep an eye on that. On the weekly, it came down to the 38.2 percentile retracement, pushing back off of it. We do have support there from these levels here that all tag, where we tag here, here, all the way across. So we have good support around that 4,200 area. We're still above it. The week is still happening, so we could close below it, be bullish if we close above it. We do have this rising pivot underneath to try to catch us if something happens tomorrow with the FOMC. I don't want to be a doomsday guy, but I'm looking to the downside right now as we are in a downtrend. I was looking towards this thing ending after this massive move to the upside reversal candle, but we just couldn't get over those moving averages, the 50-week, and now pushing down from the 8-week EMA. Also, the MACD is still waning. RSI is coming down to that 40 area to where hopefully we'll get some support. If not, then we're looking towards the 30. On the daily, see if we can learn anything new on this level here. Trend is our friend. All right, here's that. Here are these levels that we're talking about. We had a lot of touches here coming across. Touch, 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 touch. All the way across here, held that support, held it once again, gapped up, and we're pushing, closed above the 8 EMA and the daily. I wouldn't get too excited yet. We could move up from this point. We're holding support, closing above the 8 EMA. Let's see how we open tomorrow and to see if we get a push happening from the FOMC minutes. Okay, nothing else really see here. Just above here, if we do start going up, maybe we go into the resistance coinciding with the 20 moving average, and then I would say just kind of halt there, pause there if we do have an up day. If we start breaking down into the FOMC, if we start breaking down beforehand, maybe we're setting up into a rise after that. So that's just, just to look for the setups, play what the chart's telling you. Technical analysis is usually not wrong. And see if the RSI starts across this down. We're trying to peek out of it right now, just like this area. We started to... let me make this a little bit bigger. So we have a downtrend line here for the RSI, peaked above it, broke back down like fake break. Same here. Let's see what happens at this point. Looks like we're trying to break out. It's looking good on the technicals. We just want to see if the news, the catalyst, helps us out there. All right. Last but not least, let's get a little bit of trying to get the Elliott wave pattern for followers, patrons, YouTubers. down here. So after our move down, we have the X, we have a W, X, Y, Z. Excuse me. Let me say this one more time, a little bit more clear. So with this three-wave move, we have W, three-wave move up X, three-wave move down Y, three-wave move up X, and we're looking for three-wave move down for Z to end this correction pattern here. If we do get that, the subwaves are A, B, and we're looking for a possible five-wave move down. This was a five-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A, and so we're calling this a zigzag. 1, 2, 3 move up, and a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move down. Now don't get too anxious down here. You know, you'll be able to tell whenever we do get, if we come down to this level, we'll probably have a large candle signifying a reversal. But if you notice, we're just kind of getting a lift off and head back down, lift off, head back down. We're probably getting that momentum ending diagonal, and then maybe a push through, fake break, and then to the upside. So just don't get faked out by the market. Don't get too anxious. The volatility is going to happen, but even if it comes down much lower, it's going to come right back up really quick. It tends to. Okay, so if we lose a major area and then regain it, that is a very bullish sign and a signal of reversal. All right, just wanted to point that out. That's all we have for this video. Hope it helps out. Let me know. Put in the comments anything that you might want to hear a little bit more thorough, if I'm doing a good job, doing a bad job, whatever you think. But we're going to keep doing these analysis for you. So thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Don't forget to like the video. Have a good night.